अमित, यार मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ। मेरे पास 100 से भी ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स हैं एंड इनका फोटोशूट करवाना बहुत एक्सपेंसिव पड़ेगा। और आज के डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में मुझे भी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स ऑनलाइन प्रमोट करने हैं।
Don't worry, today's video is going to be very helpful for you. Today you will get perfect solution for your photoshoot campaign creation without spend single money. Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Digital Amit. If you came first time at my channel, please subscribe the channel for more updates about digital marketing and all. Let's start the video. Maybe you have multiple products like apparel, utensils, jewelry and anything else. Just like my friend, you also find it difficult to create content for them online. But don't worry, because Google has launched one of the most powerful updates in Pomelli. You can upload your catalog. Today I am going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. Just open Pomelli in your browser. This is the first page you will see after entering the website. There are few options. Let's click here. Now enter your website link here. Now Pomelli will start analyzing your complete website automatically. This will take few seconds, so just wait. It will check your website, font style, color theme, business type, tagline, so many things. And now see, it has fetched all the details from your website perfectly. Now just click on looks good. You can also see font, color theme, tagline, keywords, everything is here. Just scroll down. Then you can see at your left side there is one more option from Pomelli is catalog. Just click on that. See, it has automatically captured all your product images from your website. It is also fetching lot of products from your website one by one. You can choose any one of them to start your work. Let's choose this one. After click on photo, you will get two more options. Now you can create a professional photo shoot for your product. This is truly one of the best features for any product seller. You will get 4 styles for your product. You can choose any style for your photo shoot. Just click here and choose whatever fit to your product. Then click on looks good. I think this is looking good. Choose this and this one. After that click on looks good. Now see, there is one more option. You can create your images in multiple sizes like story size, square size and feed size. After choose the size of your image, click on generate and wait for few seconds.
If you are still watching, please like the video and subscribe the channel.
Wow, look at all that images. They are looking absolutely stunning. All the posts are looking professional and ready to use. Let's try it one more product and follow the same step as I told you earlier. See, all are looking very impressive. Now after done this task, let's try to create a campaign. It will also give you multiple suggestions for your campaign automatically. A few more designs are also displayed below. Just scroll and explore. Let's choose this one. It is looking great. After choose the design, you will get few more options there. See, in the right sidebar there are 3 options. First is header text, then description, then call to action. You can change your header text. Just click here and change the header text. You can also choose the font style, color, everything you can change here. You can also edit your description. If you want to take the help of AI to generate more heading or description, you can use also it. Then AI will generate a new description or heading for you automatically in just one click. After complete all the process, then final step is call to action. Like you can add your contact number here. Then customer can directly reach you from your post itself. Now see, your campaign is created. Now you can download it and share at your social media platform. To follow the same process, you can create multiple campaign, multiple photo shoot without spending a single money. I think this is the best option, best product, best AI tool for those who have multiple products like apparel, utensils, shoes, clothing, whatever they have. I think this is the best tool. I hope you find something interesting in this video. Please support my channel. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more information about digital marketing and all. Thank you.